I talked to Silverado owners with 300,000 miles, some 400, 500,000 miles, GMT 800 and GMT 900, 1999 through 2013. They all do 5 things. 5 things most owners don't do. You voted. 59% want longevity, so that's what I'm delivering. Subscribe, comment which you already do. 5 things that separate 150,000 from 400,000 miles. Why do some reach 3, 4, 500,000 miles? Others die before 200,000. It's not luck, it's habit. 5 specific habits high-mileage owners do different every day, every month. Today, you'll know what. Years, 1999 through 2013, all. First, change transmission fluid every 50,000 miles, religiously, not when dark, 50,000, always. But manual says lifetime fluid. High-mileage owners say lifetime means transmission life, not fluid life. What they do, every 50,000, complete change with filter, pan drop. Why? Old fluid equals hot transmission, clutches wear fast. New fluid equals cool transmission, lasts much longer. Cost? 6 changes by 300,000, 1,800 total. Rebuild? 3 to 5,000. Owner with 420,000. Original transmission, 6 changes, 0 problems. Thing 1, 50,000 miles, no exceptions. Years, 1999 through 2013, all. Second, inspect differential oil every year, change every 60,000. Most forget differential exists until it breaks. What they do, every year, check oil. Every 60,000, complete change. Why? Gears work hard. Old oil equals wear, noise, failure. Broken diff? 1,500 to 3,000 repair. Owner with 380,000, perfect differential. 5 changes, $30 each, total 150, saved 2,800. GMT 800 especially critical if towing. Think 2, differential doesn't fix itself. Years, 1999 through 2013, all. Third, use correct coolant, change every 50,000 or 5 years. GMT 800 and GMT 900, orange Dex Cool, always, never green universal. Why? Wrong coolant attacks gaskets, old coolant turns acidic, eats engine inside. What they do, every 50,000 or 5 years, complete flush, new Dex Cool, check hoses. Owner with 500,000, original engine, 10 coolant changes, 0 overheating. Friend didn't change, 220,000, head gasket, $4,000. Thing 3, correct coolant, 50,000 or 5 years. Years, 1999 through 2013, all. Fourth, always warm engine before heavy acceleration or towing. Never accelerate hard-cold, never. What they do, start engine, wait 30 seconds, drive gently first 5 minutes, then normal. Towing, wait full operating temperature. Why? Cold engine equals thick oil, doesn't lubricate. Hard acceleration cold equals brutal wear, rings, cylinders, bearings. Owner with 410,000, never accelerate hard cold. Original engine, perfect compression. Think 4, cold engine equals gentle. Years, 1999 through 2013, all. Fifth, keep truck clean. Inspect underneath regularly. Not cosmetic, preservation. What they do, wash monthly, including underneath. Remove salt, mud, every oil change, look underneath. Leaks, rust, fix small problems before big. Why? Salt corrodes frame, mud holds moisture. Small leak becomes critical. Owner with 470,000, clean truck lasts longer, perfect frame, 0 rust. Friend never washed, 300,000, frame holes, total loss. Think 5, clean plus inspected equals longevity. 5 things owners with 300,000 plus do. 1, transmission fluid, 50,000. 2, differential annually, change 60,000. 3, correct coolant, 50,000 or 5 years. 4, warm engine before hard acceleration. 5, clean truck, inspect underneath. None expensive, none difficult, all make brutal difference. How many do you already do? Comment, I do, number of 5. Like, share, subscribe. Tomorrow, hidden features that increase lifespan. Your Silverado can last 400, 500,000 miles. You just need to do different. See you tomorrow, Silverado family.